Hey, how are you doing? My name is Shu. In this video, I want to talk more about journaling. Journaling is one of the most important habits in your life. If you do it right and consistently, journaling will improve almost every aspect of your life. Many people talk about why journaling is important, including myself, but not many people talk about how to journal or what to write about. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to start journaling. First of all, it's important to understand why you journal. For me, I do it to get to know myself better. I always want to improve myself, but how can you improve yourself if you don't know about yourself? Journaling helps you learn things like how you make decisions, why you do what you do, and when you are productive. So what do you actually write about? The easiest thing to write about is your activities. Simply take 10 minutes every morning or evening and write down what you did. For example, you can write about what time you woke up, what you had for lunch, who you talked to, what you talked about, what books or articles you read, and what you learned. Also, it's important to write about how each event made you feel. This will help you become more self-aware of your emotions. For instance, yesterday I wrote about someone stealing a food bin. It made me angry because I thought it was rude and selfish, but when I wrote it down, I realized there's no point in getting angry because what's happened, and getting angry won't change anything. This journaling exercise really helps me to become more calm and emotionally resilient. Another thing you can write about is what's stressing you out or what's worrying you. Writing about your worries is the best way to make them less worrying. When you're worrying about something, you think it has more than what it actually is. If you start writing about what's stressing you out, you will soon figure out it might not be a big deal. And this exercise also helps you plan a strategy to address the causes of the stress in the first place. For example, you can write something like, I'm worried about the job interview I'm gonna have next week. How can I increase my chance of getting this job? Maybe I should ask my friends to do a mock interview. But even if I don't get the job, it's not the worst thing that could happen to me, and I can always find other jobs. You have to make decisions every day, but some decisions are very hard to make. That's where journaling comes in. Writing about decisions helps you analyze the pros and cons of each choice, and makes it easier for you to make a decision. For example, you can ask yourself, should I quit my job? Should I move to Australia? Or should I start my YouTube channel? But it doesn't have to be such big questions. It can be like, should I eat less pizza? Should I go out tonight? Or should I play video games right now? Asking yourself should I questions helps you dive deeper into your thoughts and find the answer. Journaling for me is mostly about asking yourself the right questions, such as what did I do today? What's stressing me out? Or should I do this thing? That's because humans are problem-solving creatures, and when we have a question in our mind, our brain automatically starts working and tries to come up with a solution. So if you're about to start journaling today, start with a question because that will help you think deeper. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!